was actually not the dishwasher. It was a leak here under this drain, and the reason that they thought it was the dishwasher is they had a floating floor in this area, which a floating floor is not adhered to the subfloor. It literally just floats over the top of the floor, and that gives that water an opportunity to really travel a great distance. You know, in that situation, it's really hard for the homeowner to know that there's really even water there. So what happened is they did not have floor over here under the dishwasher. So they saw, you know, the concrete under the dishwasher was wet, and boom, they gave us a call saying we had a leak from the dishwasher. Going back to that floating floor, they did not think there was that much moisture. But again, that floating floor will just allow that moisture to travel. So it actually traveled all the way down the hallway, wall to wall in here. This was quite an undertaking. We come in, we pack all the belongings. Typically in a situation like this, the homeowners are not ready. Nobody's prepared for a situation like that. That's where we come in to play. So we came in, we nicely packed all their belongings up in a box. We do an inventory list. So throughout this process, if the customer needs to access anything we've packed away, we can easily track which box those items are in. But this process is quite an undertaking. So it did take us 2 days here to thoroughly get everything taken care of for these people.